Ready to unleash the full potential of your Adobe Creative Cloud suite? First, open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop application on your computer. Then, look at the top of the application window and click on Help. This will open a drop-down menu. In this menu, locate and click on Sign Out. You may be prompted to confirm this action, so click Sign Out again. Don't worry, your files are safe. Now, you will be prompted to sign back and enter the Adobe ID credentials associated with your license or the email address and password you used to purchase your Adobe software. Click Sign In. Adobe Creative Cloud should now automatically recognize your license key associated with your Adobe ID when you are signing. If you have the correct license or the purchase was made with the same account, you've successfully activated your software. All features of your Adobe apps are now unlocked. You can now start creating. If this does not work, another option to try is to sign out and sign back in, or restart Creative Cloud. Additionally, you can contact Adobe support for troubleshooting.